On December 1st, 1987, the creatures of the earth were silent for a moment because a child was born. A child who would protect them, care for them, lead them. The child would grow up to be the animal king. What?
Oh, you stupid piece of clown nipple.
Oh man, I don't want to get up. Cheese sounds so good right now. Cheese. Go to school, Robert. I'm going.
He's coming. Hit the button. Over.
Look, a bunny. What I do? Hit the button. Hit the button. Oh, hit the button. He looks so cute. Look at him. This is weird. Welcome, Robert, to the tree house. We need your help. The animal kingdom is in great peril. What's going on? Where am I? Oh, I'm scared.
Shut up! You just need to stop talking.
Excuse me, that's not a word. You both need to shut up. Mr. Toll looks like an average man, but he's hiding a secret that has led him to hate trees. Something happened to him as a young child, and he can't stand trees. Something hideous happened to him in the woods, and now he wants to destroy all trees. We made some tights for you as well. Would you mind trying them on? I'm not wearing this gay crap. Screw this. Stupid.
You don't have to.
Take this floating albino cat. His name's Hickory Jenkins, and he will teach you what you need to know. The vehicle will come shortly. You go wait for it with Hickory.
What's up, Hickory? You hear that noise? I hear something. What the hell is that coming down the road? Oh my god. That's a giant freaking gorilla. Damn. Why don't you just use that big gorilla and fight out the bad guy, huh? Because shut up, now get on the gorilla.
I'm on the gorilla. Onward.
The gorilla doesn't actually move, it teleports. It's a teleporting gorilla, actually. This is a nice house. Nice and cement like a weirdo. Why, hello. It is a nice house, don't you think?
You should not point that in my face.
Oh yeah, what you gonna do about it? Look at my hand right now. Okay. Ah! Big freaking jerk. Take this. Man, why the hell you shoot squarely? And now I'm gonna shoot you. Just don't move out of the way, okay? Man, you can't hit me with my squirrel defense. What are you thinking? But I can shoot your old friend.
No! Why? Why, Hickory?
You piece of crap. You're freaking dead. Oh. You should stop laughing now.
Look who's dead now. I guess it's time for school.